$5 a person.
Demolition derbies here today at the PNE, and we got a little bit of activity going on out here right now. A couple of joyriders. I don't know where these drivers came from. All here on day number 9 of this, the year 2000 PNE. Good to have you with us. This is show number 25 out of 51 here today. Now we got some police here on the scene trying to take control of this situation as we get ready to start our show here today. We sent a couple of joyriders out here trying to mess things up a little bit. Oh yes, having a little fun. Before we get this show underway. Again, don't forget, fans, we got shows at 2 o'clock, 5:30, and 9:30 every single day here at the PNE this year. And what a schedule it is. Well, we got one of those guys. Well, hit and run. I don't know who did the hitting and who's doing the running, though. Okay, there we go. We've got them under control, kind of, sort of. And we
here together with the drivers.
Here we go. There's 1 and 2. Can he get 3? Oh, not quite. 2 3/4 rolls. That's Bill Chizzo out of Burnaby. Sponsored by Seat Cover Center, Auto Parts Plus, Taylor Racing, and Bozeman Steel. That's the way you like to. Up next, our one and only lady competitor. Does into the arena, up the ramp and up. Not this time for Karen. The little Tweety Bird would not roll over. Taylor out of Surrey. Here we go. Yeah, 1. Can he get 2? Oh, not quite, with parts and pieces flying all over the place. The hood popping open. Groceries falling out of the back seat. 1 3/4 for Lloyd Taylor. It's out of Langley. Gathering speed into the arena. Up and over. Can he get 2? Come on, Mikey! Yeah. There you go. A little body language to get that final quarter roll. Into the arena, up the ramp, and he's going to get at least 1, maybe 2. Yeah, the double roll for Brendan. So 4 of our 5 rollover drivers roll at least 1 3/4 situations that we're in for the majority of our demolition derbies. Again, this is show number 25 out of 51. So this afternoon at our 5:30 show, we will be exactly halfway through this the year 2000 PNE. Again, don't forget shows tonight at 5:30 and 9:30. And at 5:30 tonight, we are going to have a small car demolition derby and full-size demolition derby as well. So again, the firefighters, the 210 from Surrey, Scott Peak, 342 also from Surrey, John Murphy, and the 8 from the Vancouver Fire Department, Daryl Van Horn, and the sheriffs, car number 1, Stephen Lissick, Riverview, and car number 3, Sean Trail from Riverview as well. Again, right after this, round 2 of our rollover competition, and then our veteran demolition derby drivers for their 3-car team. Green flag as we get ready to count it down, as we always do. When you hear the sound of the horn, the green flag, we will be underway. Okay, let's count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and away we go. The sheriffs against the firefighters. Street Stock 911 Challenge Championship. 3-on-3. Who is going to be the first ever winner of this event? The real life bumper cars. There you go. There goes a head. Two birds with one stone right there. For the 8 of Daryl Van Horn from the Vancouver Fire Department. Trunk pops open. Well, that number 3, the sheriff's car. Here goes the radiator, the number 8. Tire already off the left rear of the 342 and the right rear. No tires on that 342 car in the back. Again, remember, these are rookies, just their second demolition derbies ever for all these drivers. There you go, another truck pops open. Get the groceries out of there, Mom. I'll head out on the far side with 4 parts and pieces flying. That's what it was like trying to get a parking spot today. Oh, near miss on the right-hand side. Again, that trunk popping open like that makes it a lot tougher to see when you're going backwards, trying to look up the rear window. There you go, on the far side, oh, heavy impact. The firefighter, John Murphy, the 342, even the 3 of Sean Trail, and I would say he is done. He is stuck up on the logs. The only way he's going to get down off there is if somebody knocks him down. Well, it's all firefighters right now. All 3 of their cars moving. None of the sheriffs. Looks like this one might be over in a hurry. Unlike our shows yesterday. And it is over. One of the shortest into the arena, up the ramp. And no, he can't do it. So after leading after round 1, he can't get there. She comes. And no. She's over. Oh. Lloyd Taylor not going real fast, but he's still going to get a single roll. And he is tied for the lead. 2 3/4. But again, I don't bet for 3 of 2 rolls each. 1 roll will give him the lead. And he's got 1, and he might have 2. Yes! I got the lead. I'm driving out of here. Brendan Green, he needs 2 to tie. He needs 2 to tie Mike. Oh, he's not going very fast. He's going to get 1. Oh, he's going to tie it out. He got a tie. We have a tie for first place between Mike Wilkins and Brendan Green. Both with 4 rolls each. And what do you think, fans? Should we break this tie? Mad Mike into the arena once, and he's going to get his 3rd straight double. 3 straight double rolls for Mike Wilkins for a total of 6. So the pressure's on Brendan Green right now. His car is not running nearly as well as is Mike's. Here we go. He's going to get 1, and look at this! Can he do it? Oh, not quite. 1 3/4. Your winner with 3 doubles. There he is, Mad Mike Wilkins. Oh, but that was exciting, wasn't it? How about a nice hand for Brendan Green as well? And a 2nd place finish. He ends up with 5 3/4. Pretty appropriate song for a demolition derby, I would say. Hey, Kenny? Kenny was your best shot. Let's hear it for all 6 drivers. Our 3-car team championship for the Street Stunts. Again, Team BC, the 222, Langley, Brian Dilling, the 196, Surrey, Derek Chorney, the 174, Aldergrove, Sean Edwards, against the 333, Jody Oliver, Bonnieville, Alberta, the 128, Mark Peters, Langley, and the 57, Dave Boyle, out of Marysville, Washington. How many cheered for the Alberta BC Washington team? How many for Team BC? All right, we'll get them fired up and ready for competition. 3-on-3 at the PNE. Sean Edwards getting his Chevy Nova, the 174, fired up. Again, it's a team event. Unlike the demolition derbies that you'll see later on tonight. Okay, folks, just like we did last time, let's do it again. Countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the horn and the green flag, and we're underway. Team British Columbia against Alberta, Washington, and BC. Oh, baby. 174. Edwards into the 57 of Boyle. Again, these are the street stocks. Who's it gonna be? The real-life bumper cars right here, folks. Again, Dave Boyle, the 57, can't really see too well with that hood up the way it is. Oh, look at that, Alberta says hello to British Columbia. Oh, and a big shot, the 128 of Peters. All 6 cars still moving. Again, remember, these are the veteran drivers. They've done this many times before. Oh, the 333, hard to the 196. Jody Oliver from Alberta. Doing us, the Alberta drivers have done this once or twice before. Three against 3. Oh, the 128 of Peters, hard in the 196 of Jordy. Looks like the 57 car, Washington driver, might be done. The other 5 still moving around. They're on the same team. The 128, the 333. You're not supposed to do that to your own teammate. Oh, man. That was pretty hard to hit, too. Let's hear it for these drivers. What a show they're putting on. We have got parts and pieces all over the arena. Broken glass, broken headlights, and heaven knows what else. What a mess. But again, 5 of your starting 6 still in the competition.
57 car is timed out. 57 car officially out of action.
So it's BC, the 3 BC drivers against Alberta and a BC driver. And folks, when you're leaving the parking lot tonight, and if you're kind of trapped in a little bit, don't do this. Try and get out. It'll just create a real mess. Oh man, what a show these guys are putting on. We said earlier, unrehearsed, no script here, folks. What you see is what you get. It's all happening right here, right now. The PNE in Vancouver, BC. Oh, big hit on the far side. The Alberta driver, Oliver, hard in the bank yet of Dilling. But look at that. All 5 cars still moving around. So it is 3 against 2. The 196, the 222, and the 174 against the 333 and the 128. Well, our 3-car team championship not disappointing us at all. This is just what we expected. Smokey. What do you think, fans? Let's hear it for them. Oh, doesn't that smell good? Get a whiff of that, huh? Oh, the mini donuts, the grilled onions on the burgers, and that smell from the motorsport, the Demolition derbies, that's the smell of the PNE. All of a sudden, it's pretty quiet. You can hear the motors revving. Can they get, no, there's the 174. Edwards out of Aldergrove. 333, Alberta's Joey Oliver trying to get going. You can see him trying to get that car into gear. And there he goes. But he's got 222 pinning him over there against the wall. He's trying to break free. Look at this. Joey Oliver out of Bonnyville, Alberta, trying to break free in the 333 car.
The White Firebird has been timed out. 128 car, the White Firebird is officially out of it.
Oh, and again here it's 2-on-1 now. The 222 and the 174.
Also the 196 car is officially out of contention. The time has run out.
So we're down to the final 3. BC against Alberta. 222 and the 174 for BC against the 333 for Alberta. Brian Dilling taking his air care test here right now and failing miserably. And I got a feeling it's almost over. And it is your winners, Team British Columbia. Sean Edwards, Jared Charney, and Brian Dilling. Your winners of the 3-car team event as the smoke heads our way. Congratulations to the runners-up, Mark Peters, Dave Boyle, and we are exactly halfway through this year's PNE. Some of the drivers and crew members and officials are glad that we're halfway. Some are saying, gosh darn it, it's going by.
Cerveco doing a hot lap. Uh-oh. Hey, he's not scheduled to be out there. What's going on? Oh, who's ever wanted to do that to a cop car? Go get him, Kenny. Ooh! Little contact down in the ring.
That's funny. Get him, Penny.
Oh, the 21, they switched the order on me. Rick McIntyre pulling the full roll.
They look where it's going. Here comes in their car.
Coming out next, the 469, Karen Wilkie. There's one. Ooh, a hard one. Mike Wilkins, strong side. There's 2, 3.
How many rolls did they do?
Oh, yes. Mike Wilkins, Surrey, BC, Matt. Here we go, Canada engines. There's 2. 2.5. 2.5, I do believe. Lloyd Taylor, Surrey, BC.
Oh, yeah.
Right now is Carolyn Luxon, number 20. Oh, missed. Missed him. Let's make some noise. There's 1. There's 2. Oh, the triple for our rookie driver.
Intersection, right in the middle. X marks the spot, the intersection. No stop lights, no stop signs here. Everyone for themselves.
What are they doing at
What do you think, fans? You ready to see some racing action or what? Okay. Bruce Harris, the 300, Ken Churchill at 324. Leading the pack of cars around the track. Is it just me or are they barely moving? A very slow pace, but that won't last for long. They got to pick up the pace just a notch here. Come on, guys. We already got a car in trouble. That's not good. Before the race has even started. 000 Daniel. Ken Bako with the green flag. And he says, no. One more time around. Got me all fired up. I thought we were going racing that time. Are you guys ready to go racing, fans, or what? You want to see these cars go at it? Yeah, me too. Let's go, Kenny. We are ready. Oh, man, what's going on now? What is going on now? Looks like we got a rookie on the forklift over there. Black flag that guy, Kenny.
black flag that forklift driver. Get him out of here. We want to go racing, right, folks? Okay, there we go, finally. The leader, no, not for long. 324 Churchill takes the lead. 324 leading to 666. We got bear hurts up on 2 wheels. Try and knock him down. The 324 is the leader. Does he have room to get through there? Look at the 324. Threads the needle. Bearheart's still up on 2 wheels. Oh, how frustrating is that? Trying to roll his car over. 324 Churchill. Look, there we go. Everybody's down and away. Watch that intersection. Leading with 300. Mini stock racing at the PNE. Out of my way, I'm coming through, says the 300 of Harris. Churchill. They'll be looking at a white flag here. Next start by. Here comes the white flag. 1 more lap to go for the 324 car. Oh, the final lap, he gets bounced by the 24 of Daly. The question is he still the leader? Is he still the leader? Let's see, he gets the checkered flag. The 666 gets the checkered flag. Oh, how frustrating is that? On the last lap, the 24 and that's perfectly legal in this racing. So we're going to have to check all the lap sheets, the video, to be positive as to who won that thing. Let's hear it for all those drivers. The mini stocks putting on a heck of a show. The guys. How many for the girls? How many don't care who wins as long as they beat the heck out of each other? Okay, here we go. Green flag. Pick out a favorite. Well, we got a guy in the lead. We got the girls running second and third. Debbie Taylor takes the lead. The 009 ladies help her out. Debbie Taylor. Here comes Jennifer Theobald. The 422. It's the 2 girls leading the way. 422 and the 009. Here comes Jim Long, the 51. Oh, look at that. Round and round they go. Jennifer Theobald. Debbie Taylor having some trouble right now. She's dropping back. 422 leading the 51. Minnie's not racing. Uh-oh. Jennifer, goodbye. We got a new leader. 51 Jim Long takes the lead. Jennifer's back in a second. The 422.
all by himself, cruising to the victory. A Sunday drive for Jim Long. The 51 car, your winner. No question about that one. Sponsored by Mundy's Towing, Miracle Printing, Daytona Scrap. Your winner from Vancouver, the 51 car. He'll take a victory lap. Jim Long. There he is. Nice job, Jimmy. Picking up the victory, getting some valuable points, prize money, and a nice trophy as well. Okay, 10 more months of racing for the mini stunts. Here we go, green flag. Pick out a favorite, cheer them on. No, we have a little problem on the right-hand side. That gives the 32. Tony Washburn, a big lead. 32 car, he's the leader. Watch that intersection. Watch it. Little Honda Prelude leading the way around. The blue 32 car. 67, Randy Zach running second. Slide, pushing and shoving their way around the arena again. Watch the intersection, look out, the leader just got spun. Here comes the 67 car. 32 trying to get restarted. 67 takes the lead. Randy Zach, the new leader. 67 now, he's, just squeaks through the intersection. Oh, here comes the 32 of Washburn. He wants the lead back. But he gets pushed sideways. Oh, this is a good race. Look at it. Oh, they just got through. Watch the intersection. 67 car. The leader. Oh, bad contact in the middle. The white flag coming up. We are on the final lap right now. 67. Randy Zach leading the way. Around the final lap, he's trying to make it a final corner now. There it is, a checkered flag in the wind. 67. Wow. And you thought the bumper cars were rough, did you? Well, this is the real life bumper cars right here. And picking up the victory, sponsored by Daytona Scrap, Creative Door, the Grand Garage Bar and Grill. Your winner from Vancouver, Randy Zach, the 67. Picking up the victory. This way, Kenny Pinko dropping the green flag. Here we go. 21, Rick McIntyre. Oh, right on his nose, 1/2 roll. 1.5. Rick McIntyre getting a half a roll that round. Looks like his suspension gave way just a little bit. He just did a bit of a nosedive and no momentum to carry him over. All right, were we waiting for the 469 of Karen Wilkie from Langley? We call her the Tweety Bird. She's sponsored by Edmunds Batteries, Langley, Black Sheep Motorsports, I Am Flooring, KZ Transport and Auto Towing. Edward dropping the flag. Here we go.
Let's see what she's got in store for us. Oh no, Mike Wilkins. Karen couldn't get out. Wrong side again. There's one. There's 1 3/4. 2 rolls. 2 rolls for Mike Wilkins. That gives him a total of 5 rolls. Mike is sponsored by Mike's Auto Recycling, Reef Trucking, Aero Trading, Elite Canwell, RC Towing, B&B Refrigeration, and Richmond Steel. That was